So standard 8, we are in expansion formulae. This is lecture number 2, standard 8, lesson 5. Exercise 5.2, in that the question is expand. Solution. Very important questions I will solve, and some of the questions. Here WKT means we have to write the formula. We know that a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Therefore, ours is k plus 4 bracket cube is equal to, here a means k, b means 4, that is equal to a cube means k cube plus 3 a square means k square into b is 4 plus 3 a is k into b square means 4 square plus b cube, b is our 4 plus 4 cube, that is equal to k cube plus 4 3 are 12 k square plus 3k into 4 square is 16 plus 4 cube, 4 into 4 is 64. Only this we will solve now. So k cube plus 12k square plus 48k, 16 3 are 48 plus 64. This is the expansion. Hope that you have understood this. So the next sum I will take, that is the second one. Second question is 7x plus 8y. 7x plus 8y bracket cube. Same way we will write the formula 7x plus 8y bracket cube is equal to a cube. A cube means 7x bracket cube, because these are the two, plus 3 a square. A square means 7x its square into b is 8y plus 3 a is 7x. I will put the bracket 7x into b square means 8y bracket square plus b cube means 8y bracket cube. So that is equal to, this is 7 cube and x cube. 7 cube and x cube. 7 cube means 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7 are 49 into this 7. 9 7 are 63, carry 6. 7 4 are 28. 28 plus 6, 34. So 343 plus 3. 3 into 8 we know, 8 3 are 24. And this is 7 square. 7 square is 49 x square into, okay, I will keep as it is, 3 into 7 and into 8y. Then afterwards I will write the final multiplication. Plus this will be 7 3 are 21x into 8 square is 64 y square plus 8 cube. 8 cube I have to find 8 cube. 8 cube means 8 into 8 into 8. 8 is the 64 into 8. 8 for the 32, carry 3, 51, so 512 plus 512 y cube. So that is equal to 343 x cube plus 49 into 3 into 8 we have to do. This 8 3 are 24. 24 into 49. 9 4 the 36 carry 3. 9 to the 18. 18 plus 3 21. Now 4 4 the 16 carry 1. 4 to the 8 plus 1 9. 6 7 11. So 1176. This is x square y plus this 21 into 64. Now we will do 64 into 21. 4 1 the 4, 6 1 the 6, 4 to the 8, 6 to the 12, 4 4 1 3 4 4. 1 3 4 4 x y square plus 512 y cube. This is the answer for this. Hope that you have understood this. So now we will go for the next sum. I am rubbing this. The third sum is also same. The fourth one I will do. Fourth one is 52 cube. See that this question we have to use the formula. 52 cube means 52 into 52 into 52. The answer will be correct. But we don't want to do that. We have to do by using this. So 52 cube is equal to 50 plus 2 bracket cube. This way we have to solve. We know this. So 50 plus 2 bracket cube is equal to a cube means 50 cube plus 3a square. 3a square means 50 square into b is 2 plus 3a, a is 50, 3a means 3 into 50 into b square means 2 square plus b cube means 2 cube. This way, so 50 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. Here 1 0, here 1 0 and here 1 0. But 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 are 25, 25 5 are 125. So 125 and those 3 zeros plus 3 into this is 50 square, 5 square is 25 and this 0 2 times into 2 plus 350s are 150 into 2 square is 4 plus 2 cube is 8. 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 125 triple zeros plus 25 to the 50. 53 the 150. See this. This 25 into 2. 50. 53 the 150. And these 2 zeros. Plus 15 for the 60 and this 1 0 plus 8. Now we have to add. See the unit places this and this. This is 8. Then this tens place, this tens place, this tens place 0. Now this 6, this is 6. Now this 5 and this 5, 5, 5, 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. And this 1. So the answer is 140,608. Hope that you have understood this. Similarly, 101 cube, that I am keeping it for you, the fifth one. Just you have to multiply and solve. Now I am rubbing everything. The seventh sum I will do. Seventh sum. This is 2m plus 1 upon 5 raised to 3. As usual, you will write WKT. Formula we have to write first. We know that a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Put this here, 2m plus 1 upon 5 bracket cube. A means this and b means this. A cube means 2m bracket cube plus 3a square. A square means 2m bracket square into b. B is 1 upon 5 plus. Now here 3 into a is 2m into b square means 1 upon 5 square. B square, b is 1 upon 5 plus b cube. B cube means 1 upon 5 bracket cube. So that is equal to 2 cube is 8, 8m cube plus 3